Hey everyone, this is Jeff with Gadget Prime here with another video, and today I'm talking about a few reasons why I think I prefer the Samsung experience software on the Galaxy Note 8 to all other Android experiences, including Google's own take on stock Android. Now, before you guys stop watching the video, hear me out because I do like all different types of Android skins and stock Android, and of course Google's own take on the Pixel and Pixel 2. Which I'll get into in a future video. But today I really want to focus in on why I think that the Samsung experience has done so much and has evolved so much compared to earlier iterations, especially the now infamous TouchWiz. One of the first features that I want to show you that's specific to the Note 8 and the S Pen is one of my favorite features called the GIF Animation Maker. So when you pull out the S Pen and you go into this little menu, you can see Smart Select. And you have a couple different options to take different sized or shaped screenshots, but my favorite one is this GIF animation. So go ahead and select that and you'll see this box pop up. And you want to go into an app that you want to record content with, and this works the best with video related apps. So you can do this and you can resize it so it fits the screen overall. And you can see that there's actually two options. You have high quality and standard quality. We'll go ahead and pick standard quality because the file sizes can get quite large with that high quality feature. And especially if you're kind of recording from a lower quality source or the high quality isn't as important, I definitely recommend standard quality. So you can go ahead and press play, get rid of the borders and press record. And you can see that it goes and you can record up to 15 seconds off of this GIF maker. And as we'll stop it right about now, you'll see it goes through. And there's your GIF. The quality is pretty good, and hopefully you guys can see that as well. You can go ahead and save that to share on your social media or with your friends through picture messages or whatnot. So that's a great feature that exists there. Now the second feature that I want to show you guys that I like to use fairly often is called the Edge apps using app pairs. So you'll see that there's a little handle on the side of the screen where the curve edge is. And you can slide that out and you'll see the apps edge that has the different app pairs that I mentioned earlier. And you can actually do this in a way that's actually pretty handy. So I like to watch YouTube videos quite a bit. And so I also like to use Feedly. And so you can watch something and also go through your latest news from your favorite apps such as this. This works the best with things like Twitter or even Instagram or Feedly. Even Reddit works really well. And you can do that to multitask pretty efficiently. With this, I also use it quite a bit for navigation. So you can see that I have a podcast that's going as well as really a map. And so when I'm navigating somewhere, it's really nice to have this up in front of me to be able to show me where I'm supposed to be going, the turn, and really to monitor traffic, which is one of my favorite things to do since I have a long commute to my day job, but also be able to control really easily a podcast that I'm listening to. If I need to rewind really quickly, I don't have to be distracted while I'm driving to be able to hit that rewind button. Or if they're talking about, of course, one of their ads, I can fast forward really quickly by hitting that 30-second button. So using Pocket Casts along with Google Maps navigation is another one of my favorite features that really is served well, not just because it's a Samsung device, but because it has that large 6.3-inch screen on the Note 8, which I think is definitely a differentiator. Now, the third feature that I really like about the Samsung software experience is called Edge Lighting. And so you can send a text message or another type of application, and you'll see that the screen lights up with what's called Edge Lighting. So I just got a text message, and you can see how the light goes around the borders. And I think it's a really cool feature that exists on this phone. The fourth feature that I really like about the Note 8 and the S Pen is called the Screen Off Memo. So when you pull out the S Pen, you can actually write a quick message. Hello, everyone. And then that'll save it. Now you can pin it, and that's what it is. We can pin it to always on display, put the pen back, and you can see that you have that message for yourself. A little bit hard to see with the lighting in this room right now, but let me see if I can turn off the light. There you go. So you can actually see this in a little bit more detail, and it does a really nice job, especially if you have those quick reminders that you want to remind yourself of sometime in the next hour or so, like picking up a quick couple of things from the grocery store. Now, the fifth item that I'll show you guys is actually, again, specific to the S Pen, but this is just kind of one of those things that's really fun. So sketching is obviously one of the big selling points, and I am not the best artist in the world, but maybe I can sketch you guys something. And I do use this feature a lot with friends or coworkers when I just want to play around with them or mess around or joke around with them, and it's gotten a lot of laughs. It really helps, especially when you're having a little bit of stress at work and just want to, chill out with everybody and just relax. So I'm going to try to draw. There you go. So this is my quick sketch. Does that look like the YouTube icon? I tried. Again, not the best artist in the world, but I guess you guys get the point. But it's a really fun tool to use for those quick sketches in meetings or whatever else, or to distract yourself when you're trying to get to work on the train or the bus, or just waiting for somebody at the shopping mall as an example. Okay, so those are just some of my favorite features that exist on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and to a larger extent for some of them, on the other Galaxy S series. Now, I'm definitely a big fan of Google's pure Android that exists on the Pixel phones, and closer to stock versions such as what's on the OnePlus 5 or on the Moto Z series. But, I just wanted to point out some of the value-add features that I think come with a premium device such as the Note 8, especially with the S Pen, that really differentiates the experience for a lot of users. And hopefully you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please give me a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.